Hello, welcome back in my channel. This time I got Shampoo Plus from Meguiars. It's one of the Meguiars Detailer Professional's Choice line. So it comes with a gallon size. So it's a lot. You can wash so many cars with it. It has a very long lasting Suds, rich lubricating formula, and a pleasant fragrance. Well, some says it's just like a professional level of gold class. It has same dilution ratio with other Meguiar's car washes, so an ounce of shampoo with a gallon of water. For using iKfoam 1.5, I use only 15 milliliters of the shampoo and 750 milliliters of water. The Shampoo Plus is not too thick as NXT, but so it dilutes very easy. It's just like gold class. For the first try, I will try to pump it 15 times as the manual said. Let's try for the second pump, another 15 times. The suds are so frothy. It looks like gold class, but it looks like NXT or somewhat in between those two. It clings very well on the vertical panel, and the foam seems a little bit drier than gold class. I will make another video comparing all of the Meguiar's car washes that I have and tried, and let's see one to another which shampoo that I like and which shampoo that you may like. See you on the next video.